Moo moo season. I got a moo moo. I got a moo moo. I got a moo moo. Moo moo. Damn, girl, you really do have a lot of moo moos. I got a moo moo. I got a moo moo. I got a moo moo. I'm gonna sell this one. This is Stefano's. What is it doing here, Steph? You have this huge closet, Steph. Seriously, put it in your huge closet. No, I'm serious, guys. This is Stefano's closet. And this is mine. I'm such a dick. Hey guys, welcome back to HellaJam. Why am I like this? Because I'm hiding my shit show of a closet. The time has come, guys. I have been wanting to do a closet tour since a long time because I'm constantly thrifting. I'm here at a very, very stuffed closet. I'm gonna do a little bit of a mix between trying on some stuff, definitely getting rid of stuff, maybe even just chit-chatting with you, some sentimental pieces. This is embarrassing how much of a mess I've let this be. I was planning on doing a closet clean out before we moved, but once again, Asian overachiever, why would you do that with a baby? So, I'm here in high-waisted jeans, in a deep squat lunge. If I'm feeling a little bit funkier than normal, because I'm going through shit, first time I put makeup on, done my hair, attempting to do my hair. So be careful with my heart. The reason why my closet is like this is one, when we moved into this house, the doors were broken. I just bought a curtain rod, and I'm going to be sewing on my new sewing machine these like awesome little drapes. So it really does feel like my own little boutique here when I try on clothes. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, these jeans right now, these are Baldwin jeans that I got post-pregnancy. They're too big on me, so I had to like really hike them up. So if you see the ruching back here, because my waist is too tiny for these. This is 7 months post-baby, baby. I've done like 3 yoga classes and just literally teet all day. I love how oversized this little blazer is. You guys have probably seen this in a thrift haul from when I was living in the old apartment. This is gonna be great with like a belt. Ooh, maybe nothing underneath, just a little bit of sexiness and a little belt to kind of separate. Except the 80s is back, my friends, in full effect. This was my mom's. How amazing is this? With these sheer sleeves. The thing is when my mom hands me down all of her vintage pieces that she hoarded, I have problems letting it go because she handed it down to me. Like this. Ooh. I love this. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, yeah, keeping this one. Still have never worn it. I'm really not following Marie Kondo's like template. I don't like this. I'm gonna sell this. This was my mom's. Definitely keeping this. This is such a badass. This is so badass. 80s, baby. Ooh, this is also my mom's. It has a little Philippines. This I really wanted to wear and I wanted to keep, but I realized that this whole like 90s revival oversized t-shirt thing, like it's not really my style. Or is it? Shoot, maybe I should just try it. No, I'm gonna sell this. So holler at me, Instagram, you guys can cop this. This shirt I got from Tokyo and it's got little embroidered cats on it. Depending on what kind of mood you're in, there's an embroidered cat for you. How cute is this? I'm just your neighborhood kitty cat. Meow. This shirt was my mom's. Love the color. Love this. Keeping this. If you guys don't know yet, acid wash is totally back in. And this was my brother's. My mom hoarded it. Hoarded it. She saved it. And so luckily it fits me. Hey, 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 hey. Steph's gonna come home and be like, what are you doing? Why we just cleaned our place. This I actually really love. I got this from Nasty Gal years ago. So cute. Perfect with like a little high-waisted dress. With even just like this outfit, white and white. But I don't need it anymore. I got another one, a vintage one. So, selling this bad boy too. I love the collar of this shirt. Maybe I should save it. Ooh, this one's from Greece. If you guys don't know, I studied abroad in London, outside of London. I love the wooden beads. You guys know I love beads. But it's kind of beat up. Should I just keep it for sentimental values? Like, see, this is when I need Marie Kondo. Like, probably not, right? You guys know I thrifted this bad boy. I think I'm gonna sell it. I'm not really gonna be using it very much, to be honest. Although the shoulder pads are awesome. Like, these sleeves are pretty epic. And then if I just tuck the sleeves a little bit. Ooh, I'm gonna keep it, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. Thrifted silk Reformation top. Ooh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I feel so silky and so smooth. Not mad about it. Not mad about this at all. I'm a sucker for this print right now. Like, I am all about this print. Keeping that bitch. Is this not the silk shirt of your dreams? Look at this. My really good friend Mako, her aunt is super stylish and was getting rid of this silk shirt. She gave it to my friend Mako. My friend was like, girl, do you want this silk shirt? I can't rock it. Which you can. I can give this back to you, Mako. But I really don't want to because this is awesome. I love the structure of it. And, ooh. Oh, wow. I'm a really big fan of this. Ooh. Big fan. Big fan. Just don't get any makeup on it. Don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. Oh. No makeup, no makeup, no makeup. Very nice. No makeup. I got this shirt out in the Berkshires when I was visiting my mother-in-law. They have the best thrift finds there. Look at the neck on this bad boy. I'm just gonna move this one up here. Well, the button up here, but wow, I still have never worn this because I don't know how to wear it. When in doubt, jeans, high-waisted jeans. Big, huge fan of this. Okay. Yeah, I need to keep this. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is amazing. Still a badass shirt. And I can layer it. What can I layer it with? It's a little graffiti action. So let's not use this as an example. I need to take these earrings off. Like, why would I try on a bunch of clothes wearing earrings? Why? LaCroix break. Oh, do I want to sell this? It's so cute. Does it serve me? Marie Kondo. Yeah. Yeah, this is perfect for the summer. Especially with little sole. Oh, it's just like the perfect amount of drama with the arms. Okay, I'll keep this. You know what it is? I can't go shopping anymore. No more thrifting. No more thrifting. This is a badass button up. It's like a sheer gingham and velvet number. Has a lot of cat fur on it. Of course, maybe if I'm not too lazy, I'll lint roll that bad boy. BRB. I'm not sure if you guys remember this button up that I recently thrifted. It has all the Dumb and Dumber ruffles. What you could do is just, I didn't realize my fly's open. It's okay, I'm just trying on a bunch of clothes, so it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna actually cross it over like that so it looks like a little wrap situation. And there is an updated outfit to a button up. And if you want to, you can always just pin it right here. And voila, a new updated button up. It's really hard for me to get rid of any of these clothes. But I will say, Trying on all of these clothes is helping a lot with my depression right now. It's making me a little anxious, but it's making me feel more confident in my own skin. So I actually need this right now. Ooh, I love this. It's like such a 90s vibe. It's a look. Especially with some shorts and stuff. Cute little patchwork. Perfect for the summer. Perfect for when I'm like chasing around the babe. And then hopefully I can use some like high-waisted jeans that actually fit me so they don't cover the enlarged buttonhole since I had a baby. Oh, just a little bit of tom-tom, a little bit. I'm gonna start a rule. Every time I thrift, if I find something, I have to get rid of something. Also, Steph cannot enable me. He cannot enable me. I've worn this so many times. I don't need it. Find me on Instagram. I love this sheer little netted number. The shit. Ooh, this is a really nice one. This is another really nice one. I need to pause. Guys, I can't get rid of anything. Nothing. This is something that you'd wear to an interview and feel like a badass wearing. Oh, there you go. It's a tad tight. How awesome is this? 70s, baby. This is pretty awesome. Oh, it's just got that like effortless 80s vibe. I'm gonna keep this. Okay, so my amazing brother always thrifts things for me, and he got me this linen potato sack, but with much consideration because I don't want to waste people's money, and I also want to reinvent my brother's gift. It's a bit long. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna cut it and make it a mini potato sack. This is actually a vintage nightgown, I think, because it's pretty see-through. I actually got this from Pretty Penny out in Oakland. They now live up in Washington, I believe. I'm actually very comfortable with the cut of it because since I had the babe, my boobs have been fluctuating. They're now smaller than they were before, which I'm totally okay with, but I am very self-conscious of this area because I never had to be self-conscious of that area. But this, I actually really like it. Suck it in, suck it in. Ooh. This is a badass jumpsuit, if I do say so myself. And it's a halter. But yeah, look at my curves, wow. These are birth-bearing hips. I should wear this when we're going on a date night and I need to feel sexy. I'm gonna wear this because this is a badass jumpsuit. And they're flared. It's breathable too. This is actually telling me, Jamie, you don't have to dress frumpy anymore. Sometimes it's nice to see your figure. I didn't know I had a figure, so there you go. Free. So I went down. Only 2 moo-moos left. I've had this maxi dress for years. Never worn it. I've always loved this detail of how low it goes. I think I'm gonna wear it now. So now that I don't have any boobs, this is too big for me. This would be cute for a wedding. I'm kind of regretting this purchase, and I was really excited for this. Should I give this to somebody who's really gonna want it? Probably. Pretty fun, pretty cute. I realized I needed to put my hair up. Put on some of my favorite earrings. Maybe some tennies, maybe some clogs, maybe some chunky sneaks, and it's a look, y'all. It's a look. It's a look. I think I'm gonna sell this kimono, y'all. If you want this, DM me. It's gorgeous though, it really is. Shoot. I already have this silk one, so I really don't need it. My favorite kimono ever. Ever. I actually got this at a warehouse sale, the White Elephant warehouse sale in Oakland. This is a baddie. I'm getting rid of kimonos. I've made the decision. I'm getting rid of them. This is a vintage Victoria's Secret one. This is something that I got in an estate sale. But it's like, you don't need that many kimonos, Jamie. You really don't. You don't need that many robes. Oh, but it's so damn cute. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one. How awesome is this dress? I don't know why I don't wear it more often. With some Converses, ooh, or I could layer it. So I got this when we were living down in downtown LA. This shop was closing. Strangely enough, it works. I don't need this skirt. I've never worn it. It's some fake snake skin. Damn. My brother got this skirt for me, and I don't know how he knows my size. I thought it'd be too big or too small, and it fits perfectly. Oh, my allergies are getting crazy because of all the dust. 2 leather skirts. One of them I haven't worn. This one's so badass. This one's also very comfy and nice. This one's a little bit more casual. Selling this and this one. This one's so cute. It's got a lace collar in the detail, and it's like a vest dress. Allergies! Bless you. Will I keep this? Yeah. Ugh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this in like a 2-part series. So, well, thanks for watching HellaJam. I'm just gonna take care of my nose, take some allergy meds. If you haven't subscribed yet, love for you to join the HellaJam family. See you later. Peace. I had to take a couple hour break, but look at this 2-piece number. It's actually a 3-piece, but I'm gonna wear it as a 2-piece, like so. It's actually a skirt. I don't know. This is actually from my mom, and I'm so happy I stole it from her before she was gonna donate it. It's such a badass 2-piece. Like, I'm in love with it. Really starting to dig my haircut too now. For a while I've been feeling pretty gross, but I actually really like it right now. So I also found a bunch of clothes that I can alter. This really fun skirt that is just way too big on the waist. I feel like I can just wear this with a little graphic tee. It's nice and flowy, very 90s. This sweet little peasant dress that was actually my mom's back in the 70s. Needs a lot of love and also a steamer, but excited to like try these clothes on and revitalize my closet and be excited about my closet, and also repair some of the clothes and like pick up this new hobby of sewing. So that's pretty much it with this closet clean out. I hope you guys liked it, and let me know what your favorite items are and what you want me to sell to you. Thanks so much, guys. Love you. Peace.